Hey everybody, you know what time it is. Welcome back to another Freestyle Mondays video. My name is Tino Daly. I'm a self-taught graphic designer and I'm so happy to have you here watching this process, learning along with me. Now, let's just get right into the video, guys. So for this week's freestyle, I want to turn the Apple logo into like a really high tech looking design. And that's the theme for this week. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. All right, so I'm gonna change the stroke here. I'm gonna start off with this light gray color, and then I'm gonna set this to, let me see here. I'm just gonna leave it on the outside, but I'm gonna move the leaf part of the Apple logo a little bit, just so things don't get in the way. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is that I'm going to turn the black part here, the inside, into a dark tech blue theme color. So we have to switch it to the fill here, ensure that's in front. I'm gonna hit radial here. I'm just gonna make some adjustments to the gradient. And I trust that everyone had a good week. I know there's a lot of crazy things happening in the world right now. I do hope that everyone is, finding their own way and means to cope with the ongoing crisis we have in most parts of the world, actually. All right, so let me just increase the size of this. All right, I think that looks good. All right, so next I'm gonna add an inner glow to the inside of the Apple logo, give it a little bit more depth. All right, okay, so that's on the strokes. I have to go to the appearance panel here, ensure that fill is selected. Then we're gonna go to the stylized inner glow one more time, and that's looking good so far. I'm gonna hit OK right there. All right, so what color should I leave this? Should I leave it black? Let me just experiment a little bit here. I'm just gonna play it safe for this week. I'm gonna leave it at a gray gradient. So that's what I'm gonna do. Because I don't have a lot of time to perfect these designs. I just wanna get something out that's real nice and that everyone can enjoy and learn a few tips and tricks from. All right, so next I just want to add some really sci-fi. Oh wait, I like that middle part here. I like it. That's the beauty of Freestyle Mondays, guys. I didn't originally had this middle piece here in mind, but in my original vision, that is. But it can work. I don't know, maybe it's like a little screw or something. So I'm gonna add a quick stroke to it. Ensure that it has a blue color. Kind of like it's, you know, absorbing, the metal is absorbing some of the fill color. Alright, let me try changing the style here. Nope. I don't know, I think that looks good. That white there is way too strong, so. Alright, I'll work with this. I have to work with this. Alright, so let's see here. Is my smart guides on? Let's turn it on because I need it like badly. Alright, so let's convert the stroke to a plain color, and I'm gonna lose the fill there, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some really techish looking lines, circular lines. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Alright, so as I said before, guys, this is freestyle. So that's the first one. So let's see how I can continuously adjust the stroke panel to get like some other styles. Alright, so I'm just gonna increase that. So that's what you just have to keep on doing, adjusting the gap and the dash, so that you get all these interesting So what I'm learning here as of this moment is that the first dash, it seems like it controls the how much depth of the first stroke of the strokes, like the length. Yeah, the length. Alright, so I want a gap right there, and I increase the dash. See, that's what I mean. I'm gonna lock this for now. It's in the way, and I may have to just create a mask to hide so that this doesn't overlap on the outer edges. Alright, so let me just quickly adjust these further. right there looks good. And what I'm thinking of is like creating some lines that's going to the center. Let me just quickly try that. Alright, so definitely that's happening because I still have the stroke dash line. So take off the tick, that's to quickly remove it. Readjust the size here. And then I'm just gonna change the opacity. But you get the drill, guys. I mean, if I had all the time in the world, I would line these up perfectly. But I kind of have to just do a really quick thing for the sake of time here. In the interest of time, you have to do what's right. But if I was to properly do this, I would like have to create a circle first and then line it up with a stroke, and then that's how I'd get the perfect circle around these. But if it looks good or close enough, I think we can work with that. All right, so I unlock the background layer. So now I'm just gonna revert these to the primal forms and expand them because I want that middle black portion. Select all of these, hit Shift M, get rid of the outer edges, and then see how that lines up right there. Ooh, I like the black, but anyways, gotta do what's right. So I'm gonna lock the background layer again because that's the easiest thing to do right now, to select everything. Make sure both the fill and the other lines are selected, then make clipping mask, right hit, copy. All right, and that's where I'm gonna stop here for this week's tutorial, guys. I'm scratching an itch here because I think I want to add some depth to the outer stroke, so let me just quickly do that. But this is where I'm stopping for this week's tutorial. Have to watch the clock, but I do trust that you have all learned something new today. You just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And any suggestions, I wouldn't mind. Like, what's the next theme? You know, I'm open to suggestions, so it would be good if you can just let me know in the comment section below as well. All right guys, let me see here. Can I just quickly adjust this gradient? All right. All right. That's where I'm stopping for this week's tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Let them know what's going on over here. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. Take care.